Sure, 1718 Orlando Tower traffic, a citation departs part of the arrival, 10705, runway 18 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 18 right, sir, 1718.
18 right, cleared for takeoff, traffic on a 7 mile final. Okay, we're up Cape, clear for takeoff, runway 18 right, 4030 right.
Delta 1150 Heavy on tower, wind 100 at 5, runway 18 right, clear to land.
Delta 1150 Heavy, 18 right, clear to land.
Hills 100 tower, runway 18 right, line up and wait.
18 right, 100. Good afternoon, Southwest 172, ILS 18 right.
Southwest 172 on.
JetBlue 2884, I'm ready for coverage.
JetBlue 2884, tower 118.45.
1845. American
2121, RNAV, Villains, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to Villains, 18 left, over takeoff, American 21 no. American 2525, ILS Myron.
American 2525 on tower, wind 080 at 7, flying at 737 on a 1.5 mile final, runway 18 right, clear to land.
18 right, clear line, American 2525. Anything left, Southwest 3860.
2625, traffic will hold at 18 left on Echo, and then contact route 28.
Call 18 left on Echo, 28 Southwest 568 visual, 18 right.
Southwest 568 on tower, wind 100 at 8, runway 18 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 18 right, Southwest 568.
Southwest 3816, RNAV to Villains, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Villains, clear for takeoff, 18 left, Southwest 3816.
In 28, contact departure, good day.
Good day, 28.
American 1324 with the ILS 18 right.
American 1324 Honda Tower, wind 090 at 9er, runway 18 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 18 right, American 1324.
Okay, cross 18 left on Yankee, ground 118 from circuit. Good day.
Tower, clearance 1868, 18 right.
Clearings 1868 Honda Tower, wind 100 at 9er, runway 18 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 18 right, clearance 1868. Tower, Westjet 1416, Arnout visual 18 right, Tango.
Westjet 1416 Honda Tower, wind 10, runway 18 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 18 right, Westjet 1416.
Cleared 1868 and left on Yankee, hold runway 18 left with me.
Left of the Yankee, short of 18 left of the Fairways 1868.
68, traffic will hold in position, cross runway 18 left on Yankee, and then contact ground 18.
Cross 18 left at Yankee, ground 18, Fairways 1868.
Southwest 3899 Honda Tower, runway 18 left, line up and wait, traffic crossing downfield. 18 left, line up and wait, Southwest 3899. Southwest 1111, contact departure, good day.
Departure, good day, 1111.